Viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss give possible expressions for the length and breadth of the rectangle whose area is given like that. So here, area they are given. Area is nothing but, let's take this is length and this is breadth. So area is nothing but the complete surface of this rectangle. So area is equals to L into B. So this is length into breadth. So here L and B are two expressions. Expressions we have to get from this one as separate multiples. So 4a square plus 4a minus 3. So this is not in the format of either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So for that we have to divide the middle term as two terms. Write 4a square. How to divide 4a as it is multiple of either with 2 and it is a multiple of either 3. So if it is like that, then it will be possible to factorize. So 4a you can write it as 6a minus 2a minus 3. So how I written 6a here and 2a here is, you can take common from these two terms as 2, then you can get it as here also 2. 2 2s are 2 3s are, here also 2 3 like that. So based on that only you have to write. You should not write here 2 here 6 like that also you can write, but no problem. So you can change these terms also. So let's take common. Here you can write it in the format of 2a into 2a, that is 4a, then 2a into 3. You can write it in the format of 3 minus 2a minus 3. So let's take what is the common here. The common term is 2a. Let's take outside, then 2a plus 3. 2a plus 3. So here let's take minus 1. So minus 1 means here 2a into 1 is there actually. So 2a plus 3. So why? Because here minus into 2a, that is minus 2a, minus into plus 3 will be minus 3. So here minus 2a plus 2a plus 3, 2a plus 3 is a common. 2a plus 3 into 2a minus 1. So this is 1. So you can take it as this one as length into breadth. Either you can take length as 2a plus 3 and breadth as 2a minus 1. Why? Because here plus 3 is greater than minus 1, for that length is greater. You can take like that. Here also 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So here 25 is there and 35 and 12 is there. So you can make it as some 10s and 20s and remaining 1. You can write it like that. 25a square minus 20a minus, here 20a you can write minus 15a. So minus minus will be added. Symbol will be same. 20 plus 15 will be 35 plus 12. So what is the common here? So you can write it in the format of 5 multiples here. So 5a into 5a. Here 5a into 5 fourths are 20 minus, here what you can write common. So it is a common with 3. So 3 into 5a plus 3 into 4. You can write like this. So based on that you should get any two from two terms, you should get the common things. Like that only we have to divide. This one we can divide with what you can write 25 plus 10. Like that also you can divide. So here 5a, 5a, but you should get here common terms. 5a, 5a is common. Let's take 5a outside. Then what is the remaining one? 5a minus 4. Here, what you can take common? Minus 3, 3 is there, for that minus 3. So here 3 minus is there for that. 5a minus 4. Why? Because here plus minus into minus will become plus. So 5a minus 4 and these are two common. So let's take outside 5a minus 4 into, what is this? 5a minus 3. So what is here? What is the length and breadth? Length you can 5a common, minus 3 is greater than minus 4, for that length into breadth. So area we are divided into length into breadth, that is length will be equal to 5a minus 3 and breadth will be equal to 5a minus 4. Like this we need to write. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss that is 16th one. What are the possible polynomial expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids whose volumes are given. So here length, let's take cuboid, all dimensions are different, length, breadth, height. So then what is the volume of cuboid? So volume of cuboid will be equal to length into breadth into height centimeter cube. So let's take this is length L centimeter, breadth centimeter, height centimeter. So three-dimensional one. So volume will be equal to LBH. So we have to write the given volume. So the given volume as 3x cube minus 12x. So we have to write this into LBH format. So let's take this one as, so let's take common of, you can write it is this one as 3 into x cube minus this one 3 into 4x. So 3 4s are 12 like that. So what is the common here? So you can take it as 3 into x, again x square minus 3x into 4. You can take like that. So what is the common here in both of them? 3x is a common. So let's take outside. Then what is the remaining one? X square minus 4. So it is looking like a square minus b square, since a square minus b square, that will be equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here you can write it as 3x into x square minus 2 square. So here a is equals to what? Here a is equals to x and b is equals to 2. So let's write here. So 3x into a plus b into a minus b, that is x plus 2 into x minus 2. So let's take here, what is that is length is equals to 3x and breadth will be equal to x plus 2 and height will be equal to x minus 2. So it is in the format of L, volume will be equal to LBH like that. Our next one is, what is that? Here also same second one, here also LBH, the volume will be this one LBH, the volume will be equal to LBH centimeter cube. So here also they are given 12, volume will be 12y square plus 8y minus 20. So from this you can take one thing as common. Why? Because here all the factors will come. These are all multiples of 4. These are all multiples of so also with the 2. But maximum one is 4. So let's take 4 is common, means 4 3s are 12 y square plus 4 2s are y minus 4 5s are. So what is the common here? So we have to take 3 terms, right? For that any common is there, you can take it out. Otherwise normally you can go. If you go normally, you will get only 2 factors. If you take one thing is common outside, then it will get. So 4 4 4. So let's take 4 outside, 3y square plus 2y minus 5. So here 4 into, so what is that? So here you can take 3y square right as it is, but 2y and minus 5 is there. You have to take one thing as, we have to divide this as 2 terms, that is plus 5y minus 3y. So then you will get like this. Why? Because here 3 5 3 5, it is a repeating. Then you can solve simply like that. You can, or 6 4 also you can do, 7 5 also you can do, but here 3 and 5 is there. Based on that 3 5s only you have to do. So 4 into here 3y square and 5y. So what is the common here? You can take common as y. Then here 3y will be then plus 5. Then you can take common of here 1, you can take common minus 1 and 3y plus 5. So like this we can take common. Now 4 into here 3y plus 5 is take common outside, then y minus 1. So we got it as something, some expression like, so what is that? 4 into 3y plus 5 into y minus 1. So this is LBH. Like that you can write. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So here 17th question is given that if 2 into a square plus b square will be equal to a plus b whole square. If they are given that, if it is like this, then show that a is equals to b. So what is that is, just multiply 2a square with 2b square. That will be equal to a plus b whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So shift all the terms this side, and so let's take 2a square plus 2b square minus, so these terms will be minus a square minus b square, then 2ab. Right like this. Then 2a square minus a square. So what is that? A square take common, 2 minus 1 plus b square, let's take common 2 minus 1, where from here I am getting, that is 2ab. So 2 minus 1 will be a square plus b square, that will be equal to 2ab. So let's take 2ab. So a square plus 2ab plus b square will be equal to 2ab. If a is equals to b, let's take if a is equals to b, then this expression will be what? So substitute in the a place b value, that is b square plus b square will be equal to 2 into b into b, that is 2b square will be equal to 2b square. Yes, it is possible when, yes, it is 2b square to b square, we will get it equal to b equal to b, that is same expression. Left hand side will be equal to 2b square and right hand side also will be equal to 2b square. Yes, it is possible with a square b square is equals to 2ab when a is equals to b only. When a is equals to b only, then what you can say? Then a is equals to b we can prove. By this also you can do, or you can substitute a square plus b square will be equal to 2ab. You can substitute b is equals to a also. So b is equals to a, that is a square plus b a square, we are substituting 2a into a. So 2a square will be equal to 2a square. Yes, by this also you can possible when, so this is possible when a is equals to b. This is possible a is equals to b, like this. So here plus b. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.